Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a video because I'm packing to get ready to go to my next assignment. So I thought I'd show you guys what I usually pack in my bag, and today I'm using one checked luggage and I'm doing one carry-on. At least that's what I'm trying to do. I'm gone for a month. I won't have a kitchen, but I will have a mini fridge and a microwave. So I did pack some extra things that I normally do. I'm hoping the one suitcase would be enough. It doesn't look like there's enough for me to pull out a second suitcase, but I'll show you guys how everything looks. I laid everything out on my bed, as you can see. So I got some stuff that I do laundry with that I had left over from my last assignment. My magnesium there. This is all my toiletries and hair products, body, face. These are some foods that I usually carry, so I have them extra. Like I said, I won't have a kitchen. These are some things that I had, so I'm going to be using them. Some grocery bags, because we collect those every single assignment. I'm going to make use of them. I have my packing cubes below that I'm going to use to pack. Over here are some things that I'm going to be putting in my carry-on. I am bringing the scale and the measuring tape. It's not necessary, but I have been weighing myself every week because I'm trying to get myself back into shape. But yeah, I may or may not decide to carry it depending on how heavy everything is. These are my scrubs here. These are my pajamas, workout clothes, the very little going out clothes I have, a couple of light jackets over there, and I have my socks, my underwears, my bras, and t-shirts there, along with some house clothing. I haven't decided which heavy jacket I'm going to carry yet, but will most likely be bringing that one with me on the plane. My laptop is obviously coming with me. In here I have a pair of boots, and I'm going to pack 2 more pairs of shoes. And then my sister had a hot plate that she let me borrow, but I also went and got an air fryer to make it easier for the no kitchen. This is my suitcase. It's the large one from Away. There's a laundry bag in here, and this one is my carry-on. It's a Samsonite. It will probably fit like my main stuff, so I'm probably gonna put a couple of scrubs, my pajamas, like some lighter stuff that I will need immediately in this one. And yeah, we're gonna hope that everything fits. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, stop for me. Can you take it to the top for me? I just want to love you, baby. Always thinking of loving you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, roll for me. Can you take
Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna, ay ay ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho. Hey, DJ Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho. Joanna, your busy body busy tonight. Joanna, making all the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna. You like Joanna, Joanna? Why you do me like Joanna, Joanna? How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna? Hey Joanna, Joanna.
I tried to pack everything in one bag, and while everything fits, I should just take the second luggage and pay for it because I feel like it's going to be overweight, and I mean, I have an extra luggage, so I might as well. So that's what I'm going to do, and I have my carry-on as well. So yeah, can't really pack light. It's kind of hard, especially if you're not going to have a kitchen, because you have to pack some extra things as well. But yeah, once I'm finished packing, I'll show you guys the rest of everything that I did with the packing cubes and put them inside the luggage, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just about done packing. I have my shoes in here along with my cutting board and some mask there, more shoes, and some other utensils and kitchen stuff. Got a mini in here. I have all my clothes, underwear, my jacket, my umbrella, my hat, travel. My laundry stuff is in here. This is too big to do on the carry-on. I have a journal here, some makeup brushes in case I do go somewhere. I have 2 of these grocery bags. I did manage to fit the scale in here, but I also have my 3 square pieces for my clothes. And then in here I have cords and stuff are in there, extra clothes, devotional, extra underwear, socks in there, my toothbrush, the cord charger for my toothbrush, my lanyard kind of thing. This is to measure my inches, and I just open the top here. Extra scrubs, extra workout clothing, pads, tampons, liners in there, a blanket in case it gets cold, and Mr. Noodles for the road. And then my laptop, my charger, the extension cord, all that stuff will be going in this bag here, this tote, and I'll put my actual bag in there as well. So that's pretty much it for my packing series of this video. I encourage everyone, if they are going on an assignment, honestly, don't take it if they don't give you a kitchen. They offered me a kitchen, but I would go a week without having a kitchen in one hotel, and then they would move me into a motel with a kitchen. But I just didn't want to do the move in the middle of my contract, so I opted to stay in the hotel without the kitchen. I don't encourage anybody to take it if they don't have a kitchen. Normally I wouldn't take it if they didn't have a kitchen, but I'm gonna be gone for a month, and it was probably not the brightest idea to take the one without the kitchen, but we'll see. I like the hotel better. The hotel has all the amenities that I want, so that's why I decided to take it. It has the gym, it has a pool. I guess a gym, it has a pool. I know it's clean because I've been there before, and yeah, so I'm just working with what I got, and you guys will see how it goes when I get there. But I'm not gonna lie to you, I think I'll be okay actually, because I got the air fryer and the hot plate, and there's a microwave and a mini fridge, so I might not be able to fit as much stuff. I think it would just take a little creativity when making meals. But yeah, that's all I have for you for this video. Thank you again for watching. I'm going to zip up my suitcases and get myself ready for bed because my flight is early in the morning. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.